Alright guys, Bank Nifty created all-time high. So in that case, I'll show you how to identify the resistance line. So in that case, I will use Fibonacci. So first we must find out the wave. So where is the wave? So first here you can see this is the lower point and this is the higher point. Okay. So after that we have seen a pullback from this higher point to this level. So now where our resistance will be. So in that case, you can see this is called A point. All right, just a minute. This is the A point, and this is the B point, and that this is the C point. And now question is that where will be D point? Okay, because there are no chart in above in this area. All right, because price created all-time high. So that is why we are using Fibonacci to find out this D point. Okay, so just wait and go to this area, click Fibonacci retracement, and first you connect this swing high and now drag to point A. Okay, and you just do like that. Okay, just a minute. All right, perfect. Now I can see, here I can see when I connected this A point and B point, okay, A point and B point, automatically it's detected that 50% retracement. Here you can see this is the 50% retracement, and we have seen extension. So basically, you just go to settings. Let me show you. Here Fibonacci, click here, go to settings. Okay, let me remove this one. So manually this level is not appear here. You just modify this level 1.236, which is first one, and the second is 1.382. This is next second one. All right, so when we modify this one, we will it will appear like that. Now here you can see this is our next resistance will be around 48,150. All right, 48,150. That is our next resistance line. Let me remove this area. Okay, now 48. Let me draw here near 48,000. 150, just a minute, 150. Okay, almost here, little bit. Okay, perfect. Now you can see this is our next resistance line according to Fibonacci. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.